Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play Dry Ice by Green Day on Acoustic. Many people requested me this song, and since this is my first YouTube video tutorial, YouTube guitar tutorial, so I'm pretty nervous, and this is one of my favorite song of all time, so maybe I just wanted this to be my first. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the chords you need for this song are A major, A on power chords. I played mostly like bar chords to. But if you play your first finger on the sixth and fifth string on the fifth fret, and your second finger on the third string on sixth fret, and your third finger on fifth string seventh fret, and then your pinky on seventh fret fourth string. Only these four strings, but if you press it more, you'll be able to play 5 strings, and if you press more, you're gonna be able to play all the strings. So A major and then F major, the same thing, only slide to the second fret, and these three are all the same as A major. So F major and then C sharp. To play C sharp, you're gonna have to press your first string on the fifth fret, and then your third finger on the your first finger on the fifth fret, fifth strings, or you should press, if you want to press like me, you'll just have to press these two strings like sixth and fifth, and then I played mostly like bar, and then your second finger, you don't have to use it, haha. So, and then your third finger on the sixth fret and fourth string, and then your pinky on seventh fret, sixth and third string. Fourth string, your third finger, and then third string, your pinky on the seventh fret. If you press more, you'll be able to play these 5 strings, except this one, E high. So C sharp, and then again D major, slide one fret, and you'll be able to play D major, and then again the last chord is E major, slide 2 strings on the 7th fret, and it's E major. Okay, so that's the chord. The strumming, you're gonna need the first strumming is down, up, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. A major, you'll just have to remove your pinky ons and then slide it, only your pinky on the third fret, and then slide it again on A major. Open A major. Your second string on the third, fourth string on second fret, and then your third finger on the third string on the second fret, and then pinky on the same fret in second string. There's more ways to play A major, but I play like that. So open A sus2. I mean, you'll just have to remove your pinky and then press it again and then slide. If you can play this drum, you should just it is also on the electric guitar. I'm just playing this to in acoustic, so it sounds better, you know. So R, only downstrokes. Down, 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 down. Slide and then A. Remove, press, slide, and then again. Okay, so then you'll need another strum, which is down, up, down, down, up, down. So A major, Lena's night I, yeah, then C sharp, had a dream, slide, D major, she, then A major on the power chord, she and I were, then again A twice, and then in the sky, C sharp again, and then flying, D major, flying, and in hand, E major. So this A major, C sharp, E major, D, E, A, C sharp, then D, then A, then again A, then C sharp, then again D, and then E. So that's the verse. And for chorus, you'll have to play D major. Oh, I love, same strum. Oh, I love her. A, D, A, D, A. Dreaming of her. Will I understand if she, then D, was friend, then E, friend on friend, E. Verse 2 and chorus 2 are the same, and then you have to play this chord, F major. So there comes the F major part. A major, first you have to play A major. For me is the pain, then F, pain, it's in my heart. D major, A, F, D, R. For me is the pain, it's in my heart. Down, 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 down. This drum also. So me is the pain that's in my heart. Then again, me is the pain that's in my heart. E. First, you'll have to play A, F, and then D, and when you're playing again. Come easy pain that's in my heart. E. First you'll just have to play this D and then D and E. And I hope you understand, you got this, and thank you for watching everyone. I really appreciate it. If you want to support me, just like, comment, subscribe, share. You know how it works. So thank you. Stay safe, stay strong.